In this lecture, we will discuss about the last category of protect, that is technology infrastructure resilience. Technology infrastructure resilience. Dictionary meaning of resilience is ability to withstand or recover quickly from difficult conditions. So, this framework requires the organization to develop their infrastructure in such a way that it can withstand the negative events. Technology infrastructure resilience has total 4 subcategories. We will discuss in detail how to implement each one of these. First subcategory is about network and environments are protected from unauthorized logical access and usage. So very first thing that you need to do is to have a separate segment for different activity. So for example, for your visitors there should be a separate Wi-Fi and not the same Wi-Fi as your organization's employees are using. Deploy firewalls to control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on your predefined security rules. Second subcategory requires organizations' assets are protected for environmental threats. So you need to implement environmental controls such as installing fire suppression systems, installing water detection systems, and installing temperature and humidity control systems. You may like to refer physical security policy to understand different kind of environmental controls to safeguard your organization's asset. You may use the same template for your organization. Third subcategory is about mechanisms are implemented to achieve the resilience requirements in normal and adverse situations. To implement this, you need to use the high availability components like redundant storage and power supplies. You may like to use the load balancing to increase the capacity and improve the reliability. Fourth subcategory is about advocate resource capability to ensure availability when needed. Monitor the use of storage, power, computers, network bandwidth and other resources. Basically, capacity management planning. You need to forecast the future needs and scale the resources accordingly. This was all for this lecture. In our next lecture, we will discuss few MCQs to understand the third function. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to have complete access to our CSF 2.0 course, please do check the link available at the description.